define derivative related our exercise related our chapters. Students, up to 36 illustration already I explained you. Today I am going to parametric derivative functions in the illustration 37. Students, input function and parametric function I again told you both are the internally same. So question is there, find dy by dx for x raised to 2/3 plus y raised to 2/3 is equal to a raised to 2/3. So this numerical, students, I explain both implicit and parametric form. First I explain implicit functions. It means differentiation with respect to x, direct derivative start, d by dx of x raised to 2/3 same as y raised to 2/3 and same as a raised to 2/3. Now start derivative. What is the derivative for x raised to n? Yes, 2/3. X raised to 2/3 minus 1 and x derivative pending with respect to x as it is. Similarly here, 2/3 y raised to 2/3 minus 1 and y derivative as it is, and here constant derivative 0. It means you get just 2 raised to 3 x raised to 2 minus 3 is minus 1/3 and dx by dx is 1. This take right side minus 2/3 y raised to minus 1/3 dy by dx. Finally 2/3 and 2/3 students gone. What you get, dy by dx is only this term divided by that. So minus x raised to minus 1/3 y raised to minus 1/3. Just only rearrange y raised to 1/3 by x raised to 1/3. Yes, I hope you understand. It is y by x raised to 1/3. It means what is dy by dx? It is minus cube root of y by x. And this answer, students, happily done here for our parts for implicit functions. Now same question I explain you by the another way, parametric functions. So students, parametric here one of the translation in one parameter t either theta. So suppose I am going to suggestion wise, suppose x is equal to a sin raised to, here 2/3 given, so I write down here q, and y is equal to a cos q. First of all I explain you why mentioned in this form. So check x raised to 2/3 plus y raised to 2/3, our LHS is satisfied our this suggestion according to RHS. So a into sin cube raised to 2/3, same a into cos cube raised to 2/3. What you get? A raised to 2/3 sin square, a raised to 2/3 cos square. Yes, a raised to 2/3 common, other is 1. So another value here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and which is only 1. It means, students, our implicit function is defined by our parametric form. It means, students, I necessarily check first my suggestion is satisfied or not. Now I start my questions. So what you get, x is equal to a sin cube and y is equal to a cos cube is satisfied our given equations. Now I start one by one derivative. So differentiation with respect to theta dx by dθ, and then after I create dy by dθ and both merge, then dt dy by dx. Same answer coming. Check here d by dx of what the value? Yes, value is 0. So students, here derivative of a sin cube theta, and this derivative is a same as What is sine cube derivative? 3 sine square. And sine derivative is a cos theta. Yes. This dx by theta. Same as. Now I move into this y. dy by dt now. It is a constant d by d theta of cos cube theta. So what is the answer? Answer is a cos cube derivative 3 cos square and cos derivative minus sine. So finally what you get? Getting is a minus 3a cos square into sine, and this full value I apply in your solutions for dy by dx. Yes students. Now continue students, I apply the values in the form of dy by dx. So what is dy by dx now? Dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, and that value is a minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta, and secondly 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Check, 3a 3a gone, sin gone, cos gone, only cos by sin, and that is tan theta. Dy by dx, actually this numerical is done according to your parametric form. But previous answer and this answer are same because I just mentioned cos by sin again. Students, what is the cos theta actually? Here cos theta. Y by the raised to 1/3. Same sin theta here. X by raised to 1/3. So a and a cancel. Only I have y by x. It is a cube root of y by x. Check, previous answer and this answer is same or not? Yes, it is definitely same. And here this numerical student is done. But if you are asking second order derivative, so here we move in second order derivative. This is extra, d by dx of dy by dx. With respect to students, I just take the derivative differentiation with respect to x. So d square y by dx square minus what is tan derivative? Sec square theta d theta by dx, and this value d theta by dx is coming from actually here ds by d theta, and fully value apply. So it is a 1 by 3a sin square into cos. Yes, finish there. This cos and this x actually you converting into sec raised to 3 upon 3a sin square, and that is my answer, d square by dx square. It means y. If you are asking them, so students have finally example 37 we are done now to all related parts, implicit and parametric and second order derivative. Yes students, now I move ahead our exercise, further exercise. Now students, I am going to our exercise. Exercise 5.6. Very interesting exercise students. Find the derivative x is equal to 280 square and y is equal to 80 raised to 4. Find out, only asking here dy by dx students. Twice 80 square and 80 raised to 4. But I calculate also d square y by dx square. It means up to second order derivative I start. So first differentiation with respect to x, d by, sorry, my mistakes, not respect to x. First of all, I am taking two parametric wise respect to t. So that's my mistake there. D by dt for x d by dt of twice x square. So it is dx by dt getting, and here 2 is in. Just think about 2t square derivative respect to t. So twice t is 1, means it is 480. Yes, here done dx by dt. Same explanation for y side. So what is the dy by dt? d by dt of 8t raised to 4. So my answer is A same. Now think about 2t raised to 4 derivative respect to t. So 4t raised to 3 into 1. Yes. So what is dy by dt? It is 4t raised to 3. And this value, both of them joining in the parts of dy by dx. dy by dt upon dx by dt. It is 480 cube upon 480. This cancel. You getting only students t square. And here our one part is again done up to first derivative fixed. Now students, I go ahead to second order derivative. This one, d square by dx square. Now continue differentiation with respect to x now. So d by dx of dy by dx. d by dx of t square. This value 480 cube upon 480 cancellations. After getting t square, I start the derivative. It is integrated y to d square y by dx square. So let's here making first power derivative. After that t derivative. So what is power derivative? 2t. And here dt by dx. And this value finally I getting the answer 2t. What is dt by dx? This one. 1 upon 480. Yes. And this 2t and 2t cancel. Only 2 remaining. My answer is 1 by 2. 2 2s are cancel. 1 1 t cancel. Students, if you get a third order derivative also exists. But this answer is 0 because it is constant. And here students, our up to 2 derivative. First question happily done. Now we move ahead to second question. Second also same is function is that x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. Find out dy by dx, also d square y by dx square. So it's simple. Start the derivative with respect to our parametric form theta. It's very simple, sir. Differentiation with respect to theta. So dx by d theta, a constant, d by d theta cos theta. Yes, that derivative I know. It is minus sin theta. Yes, simply done. Dx by dt. Same now start to second function y function, which is b cos theta. Derivative same with respect to theta. So dy by d theta. Here b is constant, so make outside d by d theta cos theta. It is same minus sin theta. So you value getting minus the sin theta. dy by d theta is same this. Now both merge and dy by dx, which is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, and apply the successful value. You getting just cancel only d by d. And students, here textbook numerical first order derivative fixed. I go to extra. For second order derivative differentiation with respect to now students x taking, because I want the second order derivative. So d by dx. Here also d by dx. that is dy by dx, and here dy by finished, d square y by dx square. But this side constant, and every constant derivative is a must be 0. So students, here our question 2 is easily finished. Now same I will do third one. Third is also students interesting sum. X is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos 2t. Find out y1 and y2 second order derivative. Question is there, sin t and y is equal to cos 2t. Same starting differentiation with respect to here parametric form is a t. So start now. Dx by dt, d by dt of sin t. It's very easy process. What is sin t derivative? It is cos t. And t derivative with respect to t is 1. So here just write down dt by dt, which is nothing, which is 1. Same dy by dt, d by dt of cos 2t. Students, just think about two. First of all, cos derivative. Yes, minus sin. Now 2t derivative, 2, and t derivative with respect to t is as it is. So what you get? Dy by dx, sorry, dy by dt minus sin 2t into 2 into 1. And this indicates your dy by dt functions. Now, finally, dy by dx is ready. Dy by dt upon dx by dt, and only apply successfully value dy by dt minus sin 2t into 2 and dx by dt, it is a cos t. Students, I think no new formula sin 2t function. Trigonometric 2 sin t cos t. Yes, cos t gone. Only dy by dx is how many? Minus 4 sin t. This your value. 2 to the 4 minus and sin t. Yes, students, your first derivative happily done. Now I go into same but second order derivative. So differentiation with respect to second order derivative for x only, and start similarly respect to our x derivative. So finally d by dx of here both sides taking derivative. So as same dy by dx, here also same minus 4 sin t. So d square y by dx minus 4. Now think about sine function derivative, after that t function derivative with respect to x. So cos t dt by dx. Now students, this dt by dx is actually dx by dt known. That I connected. Dx by dt, I want dt by dx, both reciprocal. So d square y by dx square. What is the value? Value is a 1 upon this cos t. Take the 1 upon cos t. So this and this 1. Only d square y by dx square, my value is minus 4. And students, that you taking y2. And here you taking y1. These two answers are successfully done. If you third order derivative taking here, further calculate d cube y by dx cube, but answer is 0 because constant. Yes. Now question 3 students, we are done. Now fourth one. X is equal to 40. 4 by t is a y function. It's very easy sum. Differentiation with respect to t, because t is a parametric. Dx by dt, here d by dt of 40. 4 constant, t derivative 1, it is 4 dx by dt, same, dy by dt, 4 outside, d by dt of 1 by t. Now, students, here, t derivative, 1 upon t derivative respect to t. I think you know, dy by dt minus 1 by t square, and both by applying the formula. Which formula? Dy by dx. Easily create your answers. So my answer is dy by dx, which is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Yes, is both really ready. Dy by dt minus 4 into 1 by t square. And what is dx by dt? It is 4. Finally 1 by t square. It means minus t raised to minus 2. That is our first order derivative fixed. And this is your answer. Textbook answer. But I explain again to second order. So again start differentiation with respect to x, and that you get y2 d by dx of dy by dx, and here also d by dx of minus t raised to minus 2. It means d square y by dx square, here minus carry outside, and this derivative minus 2 t raised to minus 3, and last dt by dx is as it is with respect to x. Now students, this dt by dx actually coming from here, it is dx by dt, and that value 4, actually there I written 1 by 4. So d square y by dx square, which is 2 t raised to minus 3, and this dt by dx coming from here, it is 1 by 4. Yes, minus minus plus 2 to the 1. Your answer is done here. Here 1 upon 2 t raised to 3. Actually t raised to minus 3, I written 1 upon positive terms. It is 2 t raised to 3. And here students, finally this question number 4 happily done. Now fifth one. Fifth also very interesting question. X is equal to cos minus cos 2 theta, and y is equal to sin minus sin 2 theta. And start the derivative only first order. In this question students, only first order asking, not second order. Differentiation with respect to theta. So dx by dt, d by dt of cos minus d by dt of cos 2 theta. Only derivative taking respect to our theta functions. So what is dx by dt theta? Cos derivative minus sin, here minus sin 2 theta into Yes, no more calculate, only rearrange. So minus sin theta plus 2 into sin 2 theta, and here over first part. Similarly here, d by dt theta, students. It's very easy. D by d theta of sin minus sin 2 theta. So what you get d by dt theta? Sin derivative is a cos. Here 2 into cos 2 theta, and both of them merge, and you get the last answer, dy by dx. It is dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. It's very simple process. So cos minus 2 cos 2 theta upon minus sin plus 2 sin 2 theta, and you have nothing calculate. That is the last one, and here your final answer done, students, because dy by d theta ready, cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, and this also ready. Here further explanation not I am doing, that are the last. Now I move ahead slowly question number 6. Now students, IMP question start. Question number 6 is IMP for exam. Function is that x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and find out y1 also y2. So one more time I check, x is equal to a theta minus sin theta, and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Yes, same is going. First of all theta respect, dy by dx ready, and after that x respect, then y2 ready. So slowly start differentiation with respect to theta, dx by d theta, a constant. D by d theta of theta minus sin theta. What the getting? Yes, it's very easy derivative. A is same as here 1, and that is the cos theta. Other also no new. What is the 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2, and that is the first dx by theta. 2a sin square theta. Same is 2 d by d theta. Here a as it is, d by d theta of 1 plus cos theta. So same application, students. A same, here 0. Now just revise for cos theta derivative. It is minus sin theta. So what is the d by d theta? Minus a sin theta. Now I want the first dy by dx. dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Value is ready. Minus a sin by 2 into a into sin square theta by 2. Yes, students. This sin theta formula is known in the form of theta by 2. Yes, because it is actually coming 1 minus cos theta formula. So a is gone 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and other is same 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 gone, yes, sin gone, yes. Only I have dy by dx, which is minus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, and which is minus cot theta by 2. That are the textbook question, 2 marks question students done. Now I move ahead to continue second order derivative by 2. So same is, now second order derivative starting. It means differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx of your left side divided by dx, and here minus cot theta by d. Yes. Start the functions 1 by 1 d square y by dx square minus. Now just tell me what is the cot function derivative. Students, you think out cot function derivative. Minus cos x square theta by 2 into half and theta derivative respect to x d theta by dx is as it is. And these are actually already I am doing here. These are joint to reciprocal of dx by d theta. It is called d theta by dx. So finally done. Students, this step is a main step. Mostly students mistake here in the solutions. They never write this one, and that is wrong. Actually, theta derivative respect to x is also written d theta by dx. So minus minus plus cos x square theta by 2 1 by 2, and one more time this value coming from here. It is 1 by 2a sin square theta by 2. So 2 to the 4, these are taking upper side. So d square y by dx square, which is here 2 to the 4a, and this taking upper side sin square and sin square. It is total cosec raised to 4 theta by 2, because sin square is reciprocal to cosec square, and this cosec square, and this cosec raised to 4. And here students, your y2 is happily done, and this numerical is also students easily done. But I again repeat you, this question is IMP here, most IMP. Many time asking in exam in that level sums. Okay students, after ending these 6 questions, I hope you understood properly. If you students have any doubts in the related to your second order derivative or first order derivative, you tell me. Already I given my phone number in the end of this video. So students, I ending this part up to question 6. Further explanation I explain you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, see you.